So, yeah, NVIDIA just had its CES 2025 event, which was very much anticipated. They launched a supercomputer, an AI computer for the masses. Okay, so this is an interesting step for NVIDIA and how this can reflect into the stock price. We will talk about in this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end because there's a lot of very, very important details, informations. If you don't know me, I bought Tesla shares when it was at 18, now it's 400 plus. I look for huge opportunities. I also, beside my long-term portfolio, I also day trade and I have a group. If you are interested to receive all our trades all automatically with our autopilot software, all you need is $10,000 or more to start with because we're using a very small fraction of your account. And for that, there will be the link into the description. You can check it out and see if it's a fit for you and contact us for a call and see if what we're doing is great for you. And maybe, quit your job in 2025. So about quitting, let's talk about first. NVIDIA is a company that creates products for other companies. Okay, so they produce chips for Tesla so they can put it into their clusters and use it for auto driving robo taxi fleets. Okay, they produce chips, the Blackwell chips, for cloud applications for Amazon, Microsoft. So in a sense, B2B is their main business right now, okay? So they make sure that everyone is equipped with their best and fastest chips that are required for AI to work the best, the fastest, and the cheapest, right? So, but also you remember that NVIDIA always had the B2C line or DNA, right? So they always make this graphic processor for your computer, for gaming. Then they offered, type of graphic cards that are good for rendering and, for calculation, for, mining of Bitcoins and cryptocurrencies. This was also like a spike in the stock. But now they came out with something which is a computer, okay? A computer that can do this kind of AI calculations on your desktop, so you don't need ChatGPT or others, and you can directly plug in into your applications. So this is quite interesting. So I would love to play you the part of the current keynote of the CES just a couple of hours ago. So let's dive in.
We'll need an AI supercomputer. And so I just wish that DGX1 was smaller. And, imagine, ladies and gentlemen, this is NVIDIA's latest AI supercomputer. And it's finally called Project Digits right now. And if you have a good name for it, reach out to us. Here's the amazing thing. This is an AI supercomputer. It runs the entire NVIDIA AI stack. All of NVIDIA software runs on this. DGX Cloud runs on this. This sits, somewhere, and it's wireless or, connected to your computer. It's even a workstation if you like it to be. And you could access it. You could reach it like a cloud supercomputer. And NVIDIA's AI works on it. And it's based on a super secret chip that we've been working on called GB110, the smallest Grace Blackwell that we make. And I have, let's show everybody inside. Isn't this just so cute? And this is the chip that's inside. It is in production. This top secret chip we did in collaboration. The CPU, the Grace CPU, is built for NVIDIA in collaboration with MediaTek. They're the world's leading SoC company, and they worked with us to build this CPU SoC, and connect it with chip-to-chip NVLink to the Blackwell GPU. And this little thing here.
So here, just to understand this, okay? So you have the the core GPU, the Blackwell GPU that makes basically all the calculations for all your AI applications, right? That's why GPUs are so well. And obviously you need also a CPU for all the other applications, right? Like, your operation system, your operation system management, all the other regular computer applications, right? Then you have like a 128 gigabyte of DDR, so that's like essentially to make the computer, fast and open and close application and save some of the application memory inside that. And then you have obviously all the connectivity. You have a small 4 terabyte, kind of, memory, main memory, and then you have like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, and all of that, right? So this is a small computer, and we will compare this to Apple in a second.
Production. We're expecting this computer to be available around May timeframe, and so it's coming at you. It's just incredible what we could do, and it's just, I think I was trying to figure out, do I need more hands or more pockets? All right, so imagine this is what it looks like. Who doesn't want one of those? And if you use PC, Mac, anything, because it's a cloud platform, it's a cloud computing platform that sits on your desk. You could also use it as a Linux workstation if you like. If you would like to have double digits, this is what it looks like. And you connect it together with ConnectX, and it has nickel, GPU Direct, all of that out of the box. It's like a supercomputer. Our entire supercomputing stack is available. And so, NVIDIA Project Digits.
So, why is this so revolutionary, all right, and good for the stock? I will show you one picture. Elon Musk, OpenAI, and Jensen. Let's have a look. If I find this picture, yeah, here. So this is the very first supercomputer that was delivered to OpenAI. So as you can see how big it is, and essentially they took the same design and just shrank it for everybody. So you can imagine, okay, so here's the thing, okay? What OpenAI used to scale and use in their products to create OpenAI, they shrank it now so you can do it now at home with the latest chip and with the latest fastness, okay? So we will have for once, all the cloud computing, 100,000 of GPUs put together in an OpenAI or XAI Elon Musk cluster, or you can have for your own application, for your own rendering, the overall supercomputer digits on your desk. Okay, so you don't have to go to the overall cloud. And I think like this is interesting because students, people that want to calculate things on a regular basis, even us in extend day trading, if you want to copy our trades with our software, we are using AI to calculate our trades. So when we do this with cloud computing or a normal computer, rendering takes like 16 hours on a normal computer, and in the cloud it's hard to connect really because OpenAI's APIs are limited. But with that, you can just like put it on your desk, run the simulation, and within like a second or a minute you have all the results. So this is really, 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 really great. I really love that. So I think this is the next thing. I think it's like $3,000. And looking into the NVIDIA stock, I just looked up, because he said like something about MediaTek's some partner that they developed this. So, NVIDIA is up 1.65% on this news. So we are now at 152 essentially. This is the level that we sold off yesterday, approximately, right? So you can see here, 152 was the level that we sold off to. So this is definitely an interesting level now. If we can break through, if the market sees it the same way. But I think this is not good for Dell. Let's see if Dell is actually negative for that. Let us have a look. Dell, no, Dell. Okay, let's have a look at HP. Here we go. Is it this one or this one? Let's have a look. I usually don't look up HP that much. HP, no, not negative, not negative. Okay, so those companies. How about Microsoft? Do they have any effect? Let's have a look. Microsoft. So let's have a look. Microsoft. No, also. So the negative, I also check out ARM, because ARM is also, NVIDIA invested in ARM, and ARM is designing chips as well and have a lot of the intellectual properties on chips in general. So yeah, so as you can see, like it's positive for NVIDIA, 1.6% up as of this pre-market. So I think this is something that should be on your radar, especially if you are NVIDIA shareholder. I think the next earnings, which will be in February, will be quite interesting as well. I think that we can see a push in NVIDIA for the next couple of weeks, and I think like $200 or $250 beginning of this year. Q2 maybe could be possible, right? So the growth of NVIDIA is absolutely insane, and I think this is super interesting. So if you like that, and if you want to just sit at home and receive all our trades, this is how it looks like. This is our group. We share this in our group, all what is going on, right? This is our positive trades. We haven't lost a trade this year so far. So here you can see, end of week was 28% in trading profit. So if you want to receive all this automatically with our autopilot software, DM me on Instagram, Wolf of Dubai Danny, or just go on our website, the link in the description, and schedule a call. I really look forward to speaking to you, and I wake you up with the next video.